The 2023 Corvette Z06 will get a revised 8-speed dual clutch transmission. Let's talk about it. I want to give a huge shout out to GMauthority.com for writing this article. Recently, at the National Corvette Museum Bash in Bowling Green, Kentucky, Corvette Chief Engineer Jason Holder broke the news. The 2023 Corvette Z06 will get a revised DCT, aka dual clutch transmission. It's not a totally different transmission. It's a revised Tremec TR9080 DCT. Now let's get into the details of everything that's been revised. This version will feature an upgraded clutch pack, and that's to accommodate for the increased torque capacity, along with a stronger casing that's to handle the larger lateral loads. The bell housing was also redesigned, and that's to accommodate a larger oil sump. And what that means is that GM can ship these Z06s to the consumer with track-ready oil levels. As we know on the Stingray, it's advised that you add 2 quarts of oil just to make sure that the engine is well lubricated under higher loads. The larger DCT will also include larger diameter output shaft flanges, and that's going to support the Z06's high strength half shafts, along with the 5.56:1 final drive ratio. And with that being said, that's about 7% shorter than the Stingray's final gear ratio. So coupled with the 5.5 liter V8 LT6, 670 horsepower and 460 pound-feet of torque, it's gonna be a track monster, I'm telling you. Although it has less torque than a 6.2 liter V8 LT2 that's in the Stingray, it's made for long days at the track, especially if you have the Z07 package, which is capable of producing 734 pounds of downforce at 186 miles per hour. Now, although there isn't an official price point, the Z06 is still slated to go into production later this year. I hope this was some Corvette information that you could use. Until next time, it's your main man, Really Rails. Peace.